What's up guys, it's Matthew from Matthew's Fan Videos, and today what I have here to show you is this Honeywell Quietset 16-inch oscillating pedestal fan model HS-1655. I got this fan on Amazon 6 years ago for about $55 or $60, somewhere around that price range. As you can see, I got the black fan, but this fan also comes in white too. Here's the control panel for it right here. This is actually a 5-speed fan, believe it or not. Usually fans just have 1, 2, or 3, or some have as many as 4, but this one actually has 5 speeds. And this is also a remote control pedestal fan too. As you can see, here's a remote for it. Here's your on-off button right here, your speed button right here, and your timer button right here. And whenever you plug this fan in, it'll beep, just like how whenever you push the buttons on either the fan or the remote, it'll beep as well. So, let's go ahead and turn this fan on. First, we're going to do it without oscillation. I'm just going to show you guys the push buttons on the fan, just so you guys can get an idea of how it works. So, we'll start it off with speed 5 without oscillation. You just got to give it a minute to start up before you can change the speeds. Not really the loudest, but it does push a good amount of air. Here's speed 4 without oscillation. It starts to quiet down, but it still pushes a good amount of air. Here's speed 3 without oscillation. If this fan only had 3 speeds, this would be your highest speed. Even though it's not the loudest. Here's speed 2 without oscillation. And this is where it starts to get quieter. This is one of your quiet speeds right here. And here's speed 1 without oscillation. This is where it's very quiet. As you can hear, you can hardly hear the fan at all. Now, I'm going to show off all the speeds again, but this time with the oscillation on. So here's speed 5 with oscillation. Oscillation knob is back here. Here's speed 4 with oscillation. Here's speed 3 with oscillation. Here's speed 2 with oscillation. And here's speed 1 with oscillation. Now, I'm going to show you guys the timer right here. This is the automatic shutoff timer, by the way. Here's 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, 8 hours, and off. And now, let us go ahead and turn the oscillation off. And let's go ahead and turn the fan off too. And there you have it, guys. That is my Honeywell Quietset 16-inch remote control oscillating pedestal fan, model HS-1655. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.